Todd, Bubba Horwitz joins me now for our final trade of the day. He's taking a look at Cliffs Natural Resources. Thanks for coming on the show.
It's great to be here. I used to think it was a candy bar, but now I know it's not.
Cliffs? I know, right?
Right? It used to be a
energy
candy bar.
bar?
Yes.
This is actually a company that deals...
They're mining. Hopefully they'll have, you know what? Hopefully they'll have energy to go a lot higher. You know, it's a, they've got earnings tomorrow, and yesterday we had Caterpillar's earnings, which is either at one time was a potential buyer of Cliffs, but they're in the same type of industry, and typically they will react, and Cliffs is getting a little bit of a bounce off of that. So I think that, you know, here at $7.30, $7.48, I think it's a nice little play that you can buy the stock and you can actually hold on to it. I think it's got some tremendous upside. I think it's also got a chance to be a takeover play, and it doesn't have a tremendous amount of risk. So I think, you know, we look at it, the $7.30, $7.40 level, I think it's a great place to step in here and try to buy it.
Would you put an option strategy on?
You know what, I did actually. I actually just bought the stock, but I also just bought straight calls for this week. I bought the $7 calls for 50 cents on Monday, and that was it. Plus I bought the stock, but I really bought the calls just for a play. In other words, I don't want to get fancier because the stock isn't big enough to try to do an elaborate strategy, so I thought that I liked the way it looked. I thought it was going to take a bounce, so I just actually bought the calls for 50 cents.
Okay, so what level do you need this stock to get to before you make some money on your options trade?
Well, at 750, I'm even. So if it moves, it's supposed to move. It's got a 12% move expected, which puts it up to almost $8. At $8, I double my money. If it goes farther than $8, I do more than double my money. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for what we've seen. A lot of these earnings have exploded afterwards. We saw Caterpillar had expected to move up 3. It was up 7. So again, if the earnings are good, it's got a chance to really move.
We will be watching. Thank you.
Thank you.